Hey there, it's Brittany, and I'm back with an unboxing video today, but it's for buttons and not for beads, which I don't know if you've been following me for any length of time. You know I love buttons. That was my first word. And Dress It Up has asked me to make some new videos for their buttons. This haul is for Halloween. Oh my gosh, when I saw it, my eyes like flew wide open when I saw this collection. So I can't wait to show you. There are several different items and they're just so cute. So the first thing I'm noticing is Halloween ice cream. So cute. I'm gonna open these. I love having like the closed packages, but I'm gonna open everything up and go through it with you guys. Super cute. So we have a little hair bow on her. So popsicle and an ice cream cone. I think that's just the two shapes, but they're in three different color versions. So we've got orange ice cream, purple ice cream, and yellow ice cream. So cute. Now these do pop apart. So I guess theoretically you could change the colors. I don't know how well they pop apart. So if we wanted, let's see, maybe I want an all yellow ice cream cone. I'm going to put these back together, but maybe if I wanted an all yellow ice cream cone, I can make one. So we have yellow, yellow, and yellow. Don't worry, I'll put them back together in the correct color order. But let's say if we were making something else outside of Halloween and we needed a yellow ice cream cone. There we go. Super cute. Aw, that's adorable. Or if we needed an all orange. This is reminding me, give me like Polly Pocket vibes, like all the different things you can buy. So cute little, if you don't need them, like you're finished with your Halloween project, and then you can just kind of retrofit it to fit a different project. Super cute. So I'll put those back in the same color order that they were in before. Next, we have Halloween donuts. I already opened this one because it was so fun. And there are 6 donuts in here. And the cool thing about these is, yes, they're buttons, but they don't have shanks on the back, so you don't have to cut them off. And you can just use them however you want. I am going to be making, hopefully, a video using these. I'm so excited. I love donuts, but I can't eat them because I'm gluten intolerant. It's awful. It's a curse. So I have to look at yummy eye candy instead. Eye donuts. Look at those. They just look so yummy. I want to eat them. Okay, next we have these awesome, they're called crystal balls. Let's see if I can get them open. And they're like frosted crystal balls. Oh, the top came out of one of them, but I can just hot glue or use some E6000 to get that guy back in there. But these are so cool, and they're so soft. They're like really smooth, and they're kind of almost like a rubbery coating on them. This one has some color transfer from the black, but I actually kind of like that. It makes it look a little more spooky. I like these. And this one, it just looks like it glows within, doesn't it? And again, if you're finished with your project and you need something purple, you could just kind of grab that. So really love those. I think they're really cute. Next we have some flowers, and if you recently watched my hair accessory tutorial, you could definitely use these in a design for a Halloween hair barrette or something like that. Darling daisies. Oh my gosh, they're so glittery. They're so pretty. These are adorable. They're just so flashy. Orange, yellow, purple, and black centers on some of them. These are super cute. I love these. I would probably use these throughout the entire year. Very cute. And you could probably switch out the middles on these too. Yeah, you can. So if you wanted a black middle on one of the yellow flowers. You just trade it out. Just like that. Very cool. I like that. I like that. And if you want it to be permanent, just put some glue in there. Very cool. They made me happy. They're little cuties. Next we had some tiny round Halloween buttons. I'm not going to open these because they will be everywhere, but I do have an idea for them. So we've got purple, orange, yellow, and black. I have a great idea for these. You're going to have to stay tuned for that. Love those. Great color mix. Then we have some stars. With that great glitter all over it too. So we've got black, orange, purple, and yellow again. But look how pretty those are. They're so sparkly. Oh, that one was lost to the floor. But look how sparkly they are. I love the black glitter ones. Lovely. And you can clip these shanks off if you don't need them with even just fingernail clippers or your regular jewelry making nippers. Love those. Then we have some unicorns. They're called Strange Magic. I don't want to cut the horn on that guy. Okay. Look at these. Aren't these so fantastic? So, oh, and you can actually choose which horn to put on each little guy. So I'm going to put the purple one in here. Snap that in. There we go. Isn't that cute? So majestic. I love that glitter. And then we have the yellow horn for this one. Or you could just, maybe put a gem there if you just wanted a horse and you don't need the horn. That's a pretty cool idea too. Make it a pony instead of a unicorn. Very neat. Love those. And then last but not least, these are one of my favorite ones. They're called spirit animals. I love animals so much. They're so adorable. They're like skeleton cat and dog with some with a Day of the Dead theme, and we have roses and some really cute colors. So I have a project that I'll be making with these. But look at the detail on these guys. Aren't they cute? It's a little Frenchie or maybe Boston Terrier little guy. He's so cute. Isn't that adorable? This is some of the plastic that's kind of been in the mold, I think, hanging around. But look at him. He's got two little hearts. And he's so cute. And then we have he's got the turquoise on him. And then we've got pink and yellow. So turquoise and orange and then pink and yellow on this guy. So adorable. And their little eyes are flowers. So cute. I think they did a fantastic job. Great job to Jessie J's Beads and Dress It Up on designing these beautiful buttons. I cannot wait to show you some projects that I have coming up with them. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for Goldie. She's super cute. And then please like, share, and subscribe. Have a good day. Bye-bye. Somebody's over here with their little teethies hanging out, being so cute. Look at those teeth. He's so cute. Oh, hi, Goldie. Hi. We just had lunch. Now she's sleeping. Hi, Goldie. I love you. Yeah.